SCC Online has just made your research easier by launching the Smart Search feature, and here's how you can use it in a few clicks. On the SCC Online dashboard, you will find this blue tile named Smart Search. In this tile, users can ask questions in a natural language along with using search terms or keywords. It uses natural language technology to find relevant legal material from the SCC Online database even without the exact keyword matches. For example, we will write, can FIR be quashed if parties compromise in a non-compoundable offence in the search bar. As you can see, the results display relevant digest notes, judgments, case briefs, etc. Similarly, let us look at a few more examples. Can a court extend time for filing written statement beyond 120 days? Can a company reduce its share capital without tribunal approval? What are essential religious practices? What is the admissibility of electronic evidence under the Evidence Act? What is the difference between the jurisdiction of Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution? The feature provides the most relevant results to aid the users in researching efficiently. Furthermore, the users can also determine how old or recent they want their results to be by determining the year range here. SCC Online continues to make your legal research easier, smoother, faster, and completely stress-free, bringing an ever-expanding collection of statutes, judgments, articles, and other resources to your fingertips. Explore smarter, search easier, and stay tuned with SCC Times for more such updates.